What is up, you guys? It's Joelle, and today I'm going to be showing you what I'm eating today. And this is going to be sort of a vlog style. As you can see, I'm not done up at all. I'm just going to carry you guys around with me to show you what I consume on a regular basis for a weekday here at school, ministry school. So for the most part, this is going to be a relatively healthy, homemade what I eat in a day video. If you have not subscribed yet, already joined the J team, what up? Be sure to do that down below and hit the little bell notification so you're notified every time I post. Comment down below just what your eating habits are, or if you have any dietary tips or suggestions for me or for our fellow J team members. Feel free to share those down below, or just your thoughts on dieting. Do you think diet should be the primary way we manage our health, or do you put more of an emphasis on your activity and just kind of eat whatever? Always good to share the wealth of knowledge. But yeah, let's just get on into the video. So first things first, welcome to my fridge, my and Lydia's fridge. But normally, before I get up and go work out in the morning, I like to have some sort of proteiny, healthy thing. I normally honestly just have a few scoops of low-fat cottage cheese. So many people hate cottage cheese, but not gonna lie, I personally love it and I eat it regularly because it's a really good high-protein, low-fat, low-carb snack. So for example, right before I work out, it's great. Alrighty, so now that I'm all worked out, showered, changed, makeup is on, stuff like that, it's time for some breakfast, the most important meal of the day. And normally for breakfast I have something relatively simple, can be made in a few minutes. So today I'm just having some Greek yogurt with fruit and granola. And I don't drink coffee every day, but I like to have a cup just to sip as I go through emails and check errands. I normally get a lot of work done in the morning. Well, so this makes for a not so funny story, but you all just saw how my camera literally just tipped over into my bowl of yogurt. It was on this little Joby tripod that I've now deemed worthless and useless. Do not recommend the little portable one. It worked fine for a while, but I think the joints have just gotten used to being bent or something. So now they're just super bendy. Like they'll just fall. They'll just, like, the weight of my camera it won't even support it. I just spent the last 15 minutes trying to clean my camera of yogurt remnants. And now I actually did a decent job. Like, it seems to be working. The mic seems to be okay. If you notice a decrease in quality of my vlogs, you know it's because I got yogurt in my camera. Alrighty, so also since I go to school, I pack a lunch normally, and today I am just making a wrap. I'm also a super snacky person, so for school I'm just packing the other half of the avocado that I didn't use, covered with some tahini and some veggie wheat thins. Alrighty, you guys, we are done with school. It's around 3-ish p.m. Yogurty camera is going strong. It seems to still be functioning despite some stickiness with the lens covering. I'm gonna break into my wrap that I packed because I have a long drive home back to San Francisco right now, actually, so just want to eat something before. As you can tell, my eating schedule is kind of whack. It's like lunch at 3 p.m, but that's sort of what happens with this funky school schedule. Oh my gosh, you guys, this actually looks so good. I'm so proud of myself for making real food today. Ooh, it has a kick to it from all the tapatio I added. It is pretty good, you guys. Adding seasonings and like flavorings and sauces and stuff to stuff like this makes it taste so much better. And it's still relatively healthy. Kale and chicken and avocado.
Wait, so Dad, what are we having for dinner?
We're having Burma Superstar.
Oh.
Yeah.
JK, so not homemade food, but really good Burmese food.
Mom didn't want to cook because she cooked a lot yesterday.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Tea leaf salad.
Mm-hmm.
And then, is this some sort of chicken thing?
Yep.
Yes. Are you
that the same as
vlogging
that?
all this?
Yeah.
It's not that exciting.
I'm making a what I eat in a day video. So this is what I'm eating for dinner. It's a mixture of just various meats. There's shrimp and some chicken and some pork, I think, with pumpkin. And then brown rice and then tea leaf salad, which is legit the best salad I've ever had in San Francisco, probably. One of the best from Burma Superstar. This day was supposed to be a healthy day, but Mom made banana pudding, so I'm gonna have some.
Banana pudding might be sort of healthy.
Mom!
There's fruit in it.
And this is modeled off of the Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. Thanks, Mom.
That makes a lot.
Yeah, that's a big bowl of banana pudding.
It's like one pudding box.
One of these. Alright you guys, well I'm here in bed, the teeth are brushed, which is the sure sign that no more food will be eaten today. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I ate throughout my day in this sort of vlog style follow me around video, as I try to stay somewhat healthy but still enjoy myself, since as you can probably tell from my vlogs, my Instagram, all of that, I am a huge foodie. I come from a family of foodies. I straight up wanted to be Emerald Lagasse when I was little, so you know. And yeah, if you guys would like to see more of my everyday life in non-vlog form, be sure to hit up my social medias. Those are always linked down below and just thrown right here for your convenience. And again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications, giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And yeah, I love you all so much. Jesus loves you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.